Hey, good afternoon. This is Jeremy Davison with MarineMax, Sail and Ski, Austin, Texas. Today I'm showing you this 2012 Bennington Q25. This boat's 26.5 feet overall. Tri-tune. This boat's a stern drive. It's got a Mercruiser 350 mag, and it's got the Bravo 3 outdrive dual prop. It's going to be a lot easier to back up with the dual props. This boat has 379 hours. The boat was also just serviced. Moving here towards the rear, we got two sun loungers out back. This whole back piece lifts up. The motor's underneath, that's power. Got a freshwater sink, trash receptacle, Garmin fish finder, fold down armrest all throughout the boat. This boat has a lot of storage. Has a center storage tank right in the center there. It's got dual biminis that connect together. You can run either bimini up at either time or both at the same time. But it's a clean boat. Rated for 13 people. And it's got good power with the Mercruiser V8. Any questions about this Bennington, call me directly, 512-924-7065. There is financing available for the boat, and it does come with a trailer. The trailer is actually a 2016 model, and again, the boat's a 2012. Thanks again. See you on the water. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions, give me a call at 512-924-7065. Feel free to also stop by any of our 3 locations, Austin, Lakeway, or San Antonio. We'll see you on the water.